October 1979. Passage B. 100 words per minute. Start. I will, as usual, take the report and accounts as read as these have been in your hands for several days. The report covers the working of the company in some detail, and it is not really necessary for me now to go into very great detail. There are, however, one or two points upon which I would specially like to make a few remarks. The first is in respect of our profit that during the past year this company, in common with most other industrial undertakings, has been feeling the full weight of extra taxation, and it is no light weight to have to carry. The director's report gives a very detailed account of the working of your company, and it would be unnecessary for me to make any further comments. In view of the reduced profit and the resultant decrease in the available surplus for the year 1976, your directors have considered it right to recommend dividend at a reduced rate of 9% on the ordinary share capital as against 15% for the year 1975, which is equal to the dividend paid for the year 1974. The new business as we have taken on during the past 12 months has been of the highest order and of the kind which can be kept well under control. It is particularly satisfactory to be able to state that our cost figure has fallen to the record low point. It is remarkable to be able to make such a statement when the difficulties of the times are taken into account. The rates of interest have also fallen, although not quite of the same degree as last year. In view of the national control and planning systems now operating, the figure might safely be increased. On the other hand, it is quite impossible for us to have any real idea of the probable effects of our future conditions upon this present day planning. I believe much depends also upon real savings of the people. The figures as shown represent safety from your point of view. Your company's order books show a satisfactory trend, and many inquiries are being dealt with, and the prospect for the current year seem favorable, and for the future appear good. There are, of course, factors which arise outside our control which may cause setback.